Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Changing your Bluetooth address can break pairing and void warranties. Understand the risks before you begin and proceed carefully. Android uses MAC randomization by default since Android 10 for improved privacy. That means most devices already rotate addresses during scans and connections. You must back up settings and understand legal implications before proceeding to avoid data loss. If your device is employer-managed, ask IT before changing any hardware identifiers. Keep a note of original addresses for recovery and troubleshooting purposes. Enable developer options and toggle Bluetooth privacy to use randomized MAC. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap build number 7 times to open developer options. In developer options, enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log only if troubleshooting is necessary. Toggle Bluetooth privacy to use randomized MAC for scans and connections when supported. Some apps request location and nearby devices' permissions to show MAC details during troubleshooting. If Android 10 or newer, use randomized MAC in Wi-Fi. Use a DB shell and ifconfig or IP link to view current Bluetooth MAC address. Connect your device with USB and run a DB devices to confirm connectivity first. On rooted devices, modify /data/misc/bluedroid/btconfig. Conf or use Macinjer tools with care. Change only the bditor field to a valid 12 hex digits string separated by colons. Reboot the device and verify the new MAC with settings or a DB commands after boot completes. Keep the original MAC recorded so you can restore it if needed for pairing or warranty reasons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.